Welcome to Tiny Treasures. It's me and Lala the kitten, and she is cleaning her paws right now. We are so excited, Tiny fans. We have some brand new number blocks friends numbered 6 to 10. Let's open it up and meet our new friends. First, we're going to meet number 6. And 6 is purple. And look, 6 has dots. How many dots do you think? 6. And there's some pink shoes and big wide eyes. And now it's time to meet number 7. Oh, and look, 7 is so colorful. How many squares make up number 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and 2 types of purples. And look at number 7's hair. Isn't that so fun? Number 7 is very tall, much taller than number 6. What number comes after 7? It is number 8. And 8 is made of 8 pink cubes. Well, and guess what else? It has 8 legs. An octopus? Number 8 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like octopus legs. Have you ever seen a real octopus? Let's go underwater and have a look now. I love the ocean and I love living animals. Now it's time to get back to our friends. What comes after number 8? Peekaboo! It's number 9. And 9 is made of 3 different shades of gray cubes. And let's count in threes. 3, 6, 9. And 9 is in the shape of a square. Boop, 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 boop. Last but not least, what number is left? It is number 10. Yay! 10 has red star-shaped eyes, white cubes with a red trim. And number 10 is wearing some white gloves with a red star. And 10 is made of 10 cubes, 5 on each side. Is 10 taller than number 7? No, number 7 is still the tallest. Well, thank you for learning with us today. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.